Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is me, your English instructor Muhammad Hasnain, and welcome back to you people in my video. And today, as your English instructor, I've brought a really amazing topic. You guys are gonna love it because it's gonna make everything so much more easier. A lot of mistakes that a lot of people make. I'm gonna make two parts of this video that are gonna be coming again and again. So don't forget to watch the other part that I'm gonna upload soon. And if you guys want to know other videos from my side, go to my channel and you guys can watch it there. So let's get into the topic. Now, as you guys know, it's Ramadan, and lots of people don't have the ability to talk a lot and do a lot of things. So in between, I thought, instead of talking, like it is a month of not talking and prohibiting to talk, and many of the people try to control what they are talking over. So for that case, I brought some things, some written mistakes that usually people commit, and it will deduct your marks from like 100 to 0 if you make these mistakes again and again in all of your paper. It's gonna make a lot of problem. So let's get into the topic. Did and did not. I'm not saying that did and did not have the problem, but the type of like the impurity or the lack or the uncertainty in the did and did not is commented here. Now, what will you choose from this? Play or played? For example, I give you a sentence. So now the certainty level is the problem here. Lots of people say, I did not. Yeah, I didn't. But it's usually did not if you're speaking. So then didn't because it's like normal. But if you're writing, so it's informal to write didn't. So write did not. I did not play cricket, or I did not played cricket. What would you choose? Lots of people say I did not played cricket. Wait a minute, let me do this. And like lots of people choose I did not played cricket. It's wrong. Once I did not play, it's play here that comes in the role. It's play, that's the correct option. We have to choose play. I did write the letter. I did wrote the letter. No, it's wrong. I written the letter. No, it's wrong. I did write the letter. We have to use the base form of each verb with did and did not. Lots of people commit this mistake. You guys don't need to be silly, and you guys should follow me and my channel to learn more. Now the last one, incorrect use of prepositions. This is like a big topic, a really vast one, in which, for example, some people say I went to office by car, by bus, by metro, by BRT, for example, by plane. Some people are too rich, so they can say by plane, etc. It's correct. For vehicle, it's correct. But nobody can say, I went to my office by walk. Yes, walk is just like these other things. But it's actually not the object, it's the verb. It's not a noun, it's a verb. We do not use noun. We do not use verbs here. We use incorrect use of prepositions. With prepositions, we do not use verbs. By walk. Yes, now we can say by walk. But in the specific sentence, for example, I go to my office by walk. Here with preposition, we cannot use verb. We have to use what? Noun. I hope you people understood that today's video, and if you guys want to be smart like me, just joking, I'm not that smart, but if you guys want to be smart and you guys want to learn from other people's mistake who have suffered and you guys don't want to suffer, so be with me, stay on my channel, and you guys can have a lot more videos. There are certainly quite a lot on my channel, so you guys can see those videos, and if you haven't watched the part 1, watch that. I don't know why I didn't say that in the first place, but this is all for today. Thank you so much for being with me, and thank you so much, and Allah Hafiz.